Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we have the fourth lecture of the last lecture on exercise 3.4, and this is question number 20. We have two radicals here. So, one radical we have to shift to the right hand side, and then we have to take out the squaring on both sides. The same point which we have discussed in the previous question as well. So, this is 5 minus 2x square plus 3x plus 9. And now squaring on both sides, we have to take out the square on both sides. So this is 2x square plus 3x plus 4 in the radical. Squaring both sides. So here this will cancel out, and this is 2x square plus 3x plus 4, and here we have to apply the formula a minus b to the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus 9 and b square. Two x square plus 3x plus 9 to the whole square. So this square cancel out to this. This is 2x square plus 3x plus 4, and now 25. 2 5s are 10, and this is 2x square plus 3x plus 9 in the bracket, and here this is 2x square plus 3x and plus 9. Now this 2x square and this 2x square cancel out, plus 3x will cancel out to each other, and this is 4, 25 and 9, that is 34, minus 10 in the radical, 2x square plus 9 in the radical. We have to shift this 34 to the left hand side, that is minus 10, 2x square, 3x plus 9, and this is minus 30, 34 minus 4, that is 30, and this is minus 10 in the radical, 2x square plus 3x and plus 9. So this minus is cancel out to minus 1, 10 ones are 10 3 are 30, and the result and the simplified form of this, it is 2x square plus 3x plus 9. Now squaring both sides, now again squaring both sides. So 3 3s are 9, square cancel this, and 2x square plus 3x plus 9. So this 9 is cancelled out to this 9. 2x square plus 3x equal to 0. Take out x common. So this is 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now x, it is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y equal 3 equal to 0, and x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. As we have discussed in the previous lecture, dear students, when we are going to find out the solution of the radical equation, so we have to put these values one by one in the given question to check whether they are the roots of this equation or extraneous roots of this equation. The number which satisfy this question we have to write down in solution side, and extraneous roots which are not satisfy the equation we will not write down in the solution side. So one by one we have to put these values in the question. Okay students, now we have to put the value of x, it is equal to 0 in the question, and this is 2x square, that is 0, 3x, that is 0 in the radical, plus we have to put the value of x, 0, 3 0 plus 9, that is equals to 5. So here the radical 4, radical 9, it is equals to 5, and this is 2 plus 3 equals to 5 equals to 5. That means x is equal to 0 satisfy the given question. So that is the x is equal to 0 is the root of this equation. So this is the answer which will be written in the solution side. Okay students, now we have to put the value of x is equals to minus 3 upon 2 in the same question. So this is 2x square plus 3x plus 4, 2x square plus 3x plus 9, that is equals to 5. Now what is the value of x? Minus 3 upon 2. So we have to put this value one by one. Minus 3 upon 2 square, 3 minus 3 upon 2 plus 4 in the radical, and this is again, this is 2 minus 3 upon 2 chi square plus 3 minus 3 upon 2 plus 9 equals to 5. Now here this is 2 9 over 4. Power even, negative will change into positive. 3 square 9, 2 square means 4. Minus plus minus, 3 3s are 9 over 2 plus 4 in the radical. So this is here again the same situation, 9 upon 4 minus 9 upon 2 plus 9. And this is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and in the radical here this is 9 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2 plus 4. Sorry, this is plus. Plus here this is 9 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2 plus 9, that is equals to 5. So this factor is cancelled out, plus 9 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2, and in the radical again 2, radical 4 is 2, 3, and 5 is equals to 5. That means x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. It is also the root of the given equation. So this is the solution side, and we have to write down the both results, 0 and minus 3 upon 2 of the answer of this question. So dear students, always remember that when we are going to find out the solution of the radical equation, we have to check whether the value of x satisfies the question or not. If it is satisfied, then it will be the part of the solution set. Otherwise, if it is not going to satisfy the question, so that value of x will not be the part of the solution set here. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Allah Hafiz.